Hi everyone, this is just a small teaser for the LazyBoy Hedger or LazyBoy Ultimate Hedger, and you can see this is gold 1 minute and only for 2 months starting January 1st all the way to 3rd of March, which is 2 days ago. Every text, real text, 10,000 balance. And I will not show the inputs because this will only be given to the clients that were actually purchased our EA, but other settings will be given to non paying users. So we'll start right away with the testing, and we'll go to graph. You can see right away it's making a lot of positions. This is only for 2 months, so starting $10,000, and right away in just a few days it jumped to $30,000, 35,000, 50,000, around that, 51, 70,000, 100,000. And this is only a few days. 11th of January, we almost got to 140,000, 137, 38,000. We'll see how far this will go. This is basically the highest that I've got to optimize the code with. But you can actually go higher than that if you activate multi-positions. So all this without multi-positions. This is only with period, 5 settings that I have to change. Period, position loss limiter, how many positions will open counter positions. You can see now it reached 240,000. And also gliding positions, how many gliding positions. And when it opens the at what equity point that will open counter positions. This is for the loss limiter system. So I'm not using the multi-position system. I'm not using the balance percentage system. This is pure only 5 settings. So if I use multi-position, this number will be much higher. If I also use the balancing balance percentage, this number will be much higher, the amount of money that this will win. So far 295, 290, maybe 80 something. Drops a bit, but will catch up after that. You can see that when it goes up, it goes out really high. And these points here, so much money that I won. Maybe when it goes down, it doesn't go down as much. But when it wins money, it wins tons of money. So far 320, close to that, 320,000. So all that starting with only $10,000, 330. As I said, I actually can get this EA to reach 2,500,000. But I'm only I will only show you the settings. I will not show the settings, but I'll show you the graph that wins 1,064,000. 1,064,000 only in 2 months. Starting again with $10,000 balance. So far we got to 400,000. And you can see now we are in February 8th. So this is 1 month, 8 days. 1 month, 8 days, and we got already to 400,000. So you can imagine how much this EA can make. I will give everyone, even non-paying customers, I will give settings that will make maybe 7,000, maybe I can give a bit more, but the paying customers will get all settings that will make them at least at least 2,500,000 in 2 months only. Of course, that's without multi-position again and without balance percentage. If I enable multi-position and balance percentage, especially if the account grows that much, if your account grows to $50,000 and you have enabled multi-position and balance percentage, your money will be multiplied in a crazy manner. Instead of getting only 1,064,000, you can actually get tons and tons of money. You can multiply your money like crazy. You can get millions and millions of dollars. So far we are February 16th and we got over 650,000. 650,000. These settings actually will open 25,000 position in a period of 2 months only. Period of 2 months only. And we're only using 5 settings that make all this money. We'll see how much it will go up to. So far, February 17th, we have about 2 weeks, a bit more than 2 weeks left. And you can see when it goes up, especially at these points here, jumped like crazy. And even the equity, you can see how much the equity went up. So far, 930,501. We'll see how far it will go. So far, February 24th, got 950 in equity. We reached 1 million. 1 million, over 1 million. February 24th, only about 9 days left. We got already to March 1st, and end of back testing, more than 1 million. I'll show you. I can't show you the settings, but I'll show you the total. So total net profit $1,064,007. It made actually 1,419,000. Lost 355,000, which is nothing comparing to the amount of money that we won. And drawdown is only 16, between 16 to 18. You can see how many positions are opened. 25,000 position in each direction, because it opens and then closes. So both are 50,000. And you can see also the consecutive wins, 3,058. Consecutive profits, 322,720. Consecutive losses, 328. Compared to consecutive wins, nothing, 328, but 3,000 compared to 3,058, nothing. The consecutive profit was 322,720. Look at the consecutive losses, 37. I can't say it anymore. 37,000. Also, you can see profit trades, 22,134. Losses are only 2,900, which is nothing compared to that. Short trades, 15,693. Long trades, 9,347. And that's about it. You can see also consecutive wins, 114. Consecutive losses, 15 only. That's huge. So we'll get that sent to the group. Take care.